Ooh, yeah. We're Equestria girls and we're here to shout at the magic of friendship is what it's all about. We're Equestria girls standing side by side, finding the magic of friendship deep inside. Twilight sparkles, a princess who shines, Fluttershy, so sweet and kind. Applejack has a country flair, Rarity knows just what to wear. Everyone wants Rainbow Dash on their side, no one's more fun than Pinkie Pie. Generous